I will never forget how I took a wonderful lady from Portugal with very limited vision, and by looking at the ocean, unfortunately today it's foggy, still beautiful, she improved the vision just from the beauty of things. And I love myself to put my obstructive lens and with my weaker eye look at everything. So my brain will not forget that my weaker eye needs to work and is alive and well. But also my good friend Jean, who is in Quebec, every time she comes to me to Land's End when she visits me in San Francisco, talks about whales, talks about birds, he's friends with all the dogs, he's friends with all the flowers, he's friends with all the nature, and it helps stimulate me to look and see. As I was blind and I need to be stimulated and to love the view. And that's why I bring people here who lost some vision, but they need to be stimulated to see, well, I didn't have vision in the beginning of my life. So it's wonderful for me to have Jean, who is now organizing my lecture and my workshop in Quebec, to show everyone that she meets the beauty of the world, and especially me. It's so nice to look at it. It's so nice to pay attention to every ripple in this ocean.